This week brought explosive headlines for crypto markets from August 11th to 16th, shaking both prices and sentiment across the board. Ethereum surged another leg higher, flirting with $4,500, $4,600 on some platforms, marking an 8% rally as institutional ETFs piled into ETH, extending summer gains and pushing its dominance. Analysts now eye $4,800 as a realistic midterm target. Meanwhile, Bitcoin traded in a tight range between $117K and $124K, pulling back 2% after macro inflation disappointment dampened hopes for near-term Fed rate cuts. The spotlight also shined on institutional volume. U.S. spot Bitcoin and Ether ETFs recorded a staggering $40 billion in weekly trading, with $17 billion alone coming from Ether products, a watershed moment for mainstream crypto adoption and bullish momentum. Amid this market frenzy, Gemini, founded by the Winklevoss twins, filed for a U.S. IPO under the ticker GEMI, despite announcing steep losses. $282 million net loss on just $68 million in revenue for 1H 2025. Still, IPO appetite remains hot, buoyed by growing confidence in regulated crypto plays. Legal drama stayed center stage as Terraform Labs co-founder Do Kwon signaled an expected guilty plea in U.S. fraud charges tied to the 2022 Terra collapse, a turning point that signals slower-moving consequences for one of crypto's largest failures. Infra-wise, Binance-related activity continues to sway sentiment, with analysts flagging upcoming listings as potential triggers. Investors who monitor early signals stand to profit from the so-called Binance effect. Adding to the institutional buildup, whale activity and on-chain flows remain significant. Alerts from Arkham highlighted massive ETH accumulation by Bitmine, 28,650 ETH in a single hour, showing that smart money is positioning ahead of price moves. Despite bullish trends, caution remains. Traditional equities pressured Coinbase stock after revenue missed expectations, while scams and phishing continue circulating, underscoring that even in boom times, security is non-negotiable. As we look ahead, Ethereum appears on a breakout path toward $4,800, especially if ETF demand persists. Bitcoin may retarget $125K, but remain sensitive to macro timing. Watch Gemini's IPO timing and Do Kwon's plea for legal consequences. And remember, momentum is building, but smart execution demands vigilance.